Welcome to Amity University eLibrary. In the next 8 minutes, we will see how you can access eLibrary from anywhere across the globe and read from more than 5 lakh eResources. To access the eLibrary, visit amity.refread.com. To have access to all the content, you need to first log in. A click on the login button will take you to the Amazon platform. Use your Amazon username and password to log in. Once you are logged in, the students will see the Amity University eLibrary link in the Central Library opaque dashboard. Click on this eLibrary button and you will be authenticated on the eLibrary platform automatically. The faculty members can find the eLibrary login button here. Once you are logged in, you can browse all the disciplines, or you can browse content by publisher, by format of your choice, and then we have built some engaging topic collections. The platform features some of the most renowned publishers. You have access to EBSCO Business Source Complete, Elsevier journals, IEEE journals, journals from Oxford University Press, the legal database Supreme Court cases online, the citation index called Scopus. Now let's just click on one of the publishers, Elsevier journals. The click will take me to the list of all the Elsevier journals that the university subscribes to. A click on the read button on one of these journals will take me to the publisher platform, and as you can see on the top right, the platform has done the authentication on the publisher platform and I have full text access to all the content from this journal. Let's just click on one of the articles and the PDF button. And as you can see, I have full text access to this particular journal article. Let's try one more publisher, EBSCO Business Source Complete. Again, the click will list all the journals and publications from this database. I click on the publication I want to read and I can see all the volumes and issues. I click on the latest one and I have access to all the articles from this particular publication on EBSCO as well. Let's now look at the citation index called Scopus. I click on the link in the eResources section. I have the Scopus link. I click on the read button and again I am authenticated on the publisher platform where I can do my searches. I'll do a sample search on, let's say, nanotechnology. I'll fire the search and I get the search results on the Scopus platform as well. I can also browse by media type. So let's say I'm only interested in ebooks. I click on the link and I have this massive index of ebooks on the platform. I can do the same for video lectures. We will keep adding more and more open access resources to widen this collection on the platform. Like I said earlier, we have built some topical collections for you as well. If I click on one of them, let's say digital marketing, I have thesis, research articles, video lectures here, and all of these are full text resources for you to deep dive into. Apart from these scholarly collections, we also have a great list of expert talks featuring videos from some of the most popular channels like TED and Big Think. There's a great collection of literary works from most renowned authors in English, Hindi, Urdu, and Punjabi. And all of these titles are either available as an audiobook or as a PDF ebook. There is a news service available on the platform wherein you can see news clips by the library team and headlines from as many as 50 news publications. These are some of the content services available on the platform. Now let's look at search. If I do a keyword search, for an example for nanotechnology, the platform will first show me all the publications available, including the subscribed resources, open access resources, as well as the print books lying in your library. We will be connecting the print holdings of all the Amity University libraries on the platform for you to have a single search experience. You can also filter content based on publication year, media type, author, publisher, and most importantly, this search within filter. Just add more keywords to the search within box and the platform will filter out the search results based on the added keywords. You can remove the filter by clicking on this cross button to go to the original search result set. You can change out the tab from e-catalog to article for the platform to find you the most relevant research articles from the subscribed publications. I'll click on this Get More button to broaden the search base, but as you can see, now as a user, I don't need to go to these platforms separately to look for research articles. The eLibrary will do it for me. I apply the filter on IEEE Explore, and the good thing is that as soon as I click on the Read button, the authentication is performed automatically by the eLibrary, and I'll have full text access to even this research article. I click on the PDF button, and it's that simple. I'm saving my time and effort as a user, and at the same time getting the same full text experience as I would get while sitting in the campus. If you see, there's a button called Add to Reading List next to every search result. I can create as many folders as I want to, and I can save this result for future reference. Let's just save one ebook as well. Yeah, this looks good. I click on the Add to Reading List button and add this result to the saved as folder I created. All these saved documents are available in the reading list next to my name. The folders are here, and the saved documents, if I select them, I can export the citation in APA, MLA, or Chicago format. I can even send the links of these saved documents to my peers from the university. The platform packs many more features, like you can do complex search queries using the advanced search form. You can even follow your peers and see what they are finding relevant on the eLibrary. Please do give the platform a try, and in case you need any support in using the platform, please feel free to write to eLibrary support@amity.edu. Happy reading!